or the greatest common divisor of the numbers. Okay, but in today's session we are going to learn about the co-prime numbers and non-co-prime numbers. Okay, in addition to this we will also learn the properties of factors. Okay, let us start the session. Fine, good morning to all of you children. Today in this session we will learn about the co-prime numbers and non-co-prime numbers. Okay, but before we could enter the main concept, let us recapitulate the properties of factors. Okay, we have learned what is a factor. Okay, these factors have some important interesting properties. We will just recapitulate them and then proceed. Okay, factors are also called as divisors. Okay, if remainder is equal to 0. Okay, all factors are divisors, but all divisors are not factors. Okay, one is a factor of every number, means one divides every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Every factor of a number is either less than the number or equal to the number, but it is never greater than the number. Okay, you might have heard about the even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, let us see children, what are even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, if a number is divided by 2, then it is called even number. Okay, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 dash 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 are all called even numbers. Okay, if you divide these numbers, these are divided by 2. It means whenever 2 divides this number, the remainder is 0. Okay, therefore children, all even numbers are divided by 2 and they leave the remainder 0. Okay, what is an odd number? Okay, if a number is not divided by 2, then it is an odd number. Okay, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 dash 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 dash. Okay, if you divide these numbers by 2, the remainder is not 0. Remainder is greater than 0, but remainder is definitely equal to 1 here. Okay, so any number which is divided by 2 is even number, and any number which is not divided by 2 and after the division, if the remainder is exactly equal to 1, then that is odd number. Okay, if a number is divided by 1 and itself, then that number is called a prime number. Okay, example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 dash 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 up to infinity. 1 is neither a prime number nor a non-prime number. It is just an integer. 2 is the only even prime number and the smallest prime number. Now children, we will learn about composite number. Okay, the meaning of composite number is, what is non-prime number, no, that number is called composite number. Okay, what is the definition of composite number? See here, if a number has more than 2 factors, okay, not exactly 2 factors, more than 2 factors. More than 2 means what? The number may have 3 factors, 4 factors, 5 factors, 6 factors, 7 factors, etc. Okay, but not less than 2. Okay, more than 2 factors it should have, among which one factor is 1 and another factor is number itself, and the remaining factors are other than 1 and the number itself. Okay, then that number is called a composite number or non-prime number. Okay, the composite number can also be defined in one more way. Let us see it. If a number is divided by 1 and itself and also by other numbers, then that number is called composite number or non-prime number. Is 1 a prime number or a non-prime number is the question. Let us see the justification. The number 1 has been dropped from the list of prime numbers and composite numbers. Then what is 1? 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. It is just an integer. Okay, children? So, children, so far you recapitulated the properties of factors. Okay? Now we will just recapitulate the definition of HCF and then proceed. Because to learn about the co-prime numbers and non-co-prime numbers, the idea of common factors of the numbers and highest common factor of the numbers means HCF of the numbers is very much essential. Therefore, children, we will just see the definition of HCF of the numbers and then proceed. The one who knows how to find the common factors of the numbers and HCF of the numbers will definitely learn well about the co-prime numbers and non-co-prime numbers. Okay? Let us see what do we mean by HCF of the numbers. How do you define HCF of a number? The highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the greatest number which divides all the given numbers exactly, leaving no remainder. Okay, means the remainder will be 0 here. Understood, children? This is the definition of highest common factor. This highest common factor is also called GCD, right? Okay, children. After having learnt about the HCF and GCD of the numbers, let us learn about the co-prime numbers and non-co-prime numbers. This is also a very interesting and important concept that you have to learn. Okay? If you have the idea about the common factors of two numbers or more than two numbers, then you will be definitely able to identify and justify your answer, that whether the given numbers are co-prime numbers or non-co-prime numbers. Okay? So, what are co-prime numbers? See here, if two numbers have their common factor as 1 and other than 1 they don't have common factor, then those two numbers are called co-prime numbers. See here, children, prime numbers are different and co-prime numbers and non-co-prime numbers are different. Okay? Do not get confused with prime numbers and co-prime numbers. Okay? Prime numbers are different and co-prime numbers are different. Okay? Here 2 and 5 are called co-prime numbers. Okay? Let us justify why they are called co-prime numbers. Okay? Write the numbers 2 and 5 here and list the factors of 2. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. List the factors of 5. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Okay? What is the common factor of 2 and 5? See here, children, 1 is the common factor of 2 and 5. Do you know why? 1 divides 2 also, 1 divides 5 also. That is why 1 is the common factor of 2 and 5. Other than 1, do these numbers have common factor? No. 1 is the only common factor of 2 and 5. Other than 1, the numbers 2 and 5 have no common factor. Therefore, children, we should call such pair of numbers as co-prime numbers. So, what are co-prime numbers? Here, 2 and 5 have no common factor other than 1. If the numbers have no common factor other than 1, okay, then they are called co-prime numbers. Okay? And what is the highest common factor of 2 and 5? even highest common factor of 2 and 5 is also 1. Common factor is also 1 and their highest common factor is also 1. So we can also define the prime numbers as if the highest common factor of two numbers is 1, then also the numbers are said to be co-prime numbers. Okay? Otherwise they are said to be non-co-prime numbers. Now let us know what are co-prime numbers. Okay? Two numbers are said to be co-prime numbers if they don't have the common factor other than 1 or if their HCF is equal to 1. Let us take one more example, right? 6 and 7. 6 and 7 are called co-prime numbers because list the factors of 6, right? List the factors of 7. These are the factors of 6 and these are the factors of 7. Then which are the common factors of 6 and 7? See here children, the common factor of 6 and 7 is 1. Only 1. Other than 1, 6 and 7, do they have any common factors? No. The common factor of 6 and 7 is 1. Right? Such numbers are called co-prime numbers. Then what about the highest common factor of 6 and 7? Highest common factor of 6 and 7 is also 1. So children, if two numbers have their common factor as 1 or their highest common factor as 1, then those numbers are said to be co-prime numbers. Or two numbers are said to be co-prime if they don't have the common factor other than 1. And if you find their HCF will be also 1. Such numbers are said to be co-prime numbers. Otherwise, they are non-co-prime numbers. Okay. Take the example of 9 and 8. 9. 1, 3, 9 are the factors of 9. 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. And what are the common factors of 9 and 8? See here. The common factors of 9 and 8 are 1 only. Okay. The common factor of 9 and 8 is equal to 1. Other than 1, do these numbers have any common factors? 9 and 8 have the common factor 1. Other than 1, is there any common factor? No. Therefore, the common factor of 9 and 8 is 1. That is why 9 and 8 are called co-prime numbers. If you find the HCF of these numbers 9 and 8, what is their HCF? HCF is also 1. So, if two numbers have the HCF 1, then also they are called the co-prime numbers. Okay. See here children, 5 and 17 are also co-prime numbers because these don't have the common factor other than 1 or their HCF is 1. Let us see. List the factors of 5. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. List the factors of 17. The factors of 17 are 1 and 17. Then what is the common factor of 5 and 17? It is 1. See here. Other than 1, 5 and 17 have no common factors. So the common factor of 5 and 17 is 1. That is why 5 and 17 are called co-prime numbers. What is their HCF? The HCF of 5 and 17 is also 1. What is their GCD? GCD of 5 and 17 is also 1. So children, if two numbers have no common factor other than 1 and if their HCF or GCD is 1, then those numbers are said to be co-prime numbers. Okay. If you understand this, okay. Otherwise, the further concepts will be difficult for you. Okay. So for children, we learnt how to identify whether the given two numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay. If three numbers are given and we are asked whether the given numbers are co-prime or not, how to find out or how to identify whether the given numbers are co-prime numbers or not. Let us see it. Are 10, 12, 15 co-prime numbers or non-co-prime numbers is the question here. Let us see. the given numbers are 10, 12 and 15. Okay. First, let us list the factors of 10, 12 and 15. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Now, let us select the common factors of 10, 12 and 15 and write here. Okay. See here, 1 is the factor of 10 also, 1 is the factor of 12 also, 1 is the factor of 15 also. Therefore, common factor of 10, 12, 15 is 1. Okay. See here children, when we compare the factors of 10, 12 and 15, 1 is the only common factor. That is why I have written the common factor of 10, 12, 15 as 1. But other than 1, there are no common factors for 10, 12 and 15. Therefore children, common factor of 10, 12 and 15 is only 1. Other than 1, the numbers 10, 12, 15 don't have common factor. That is why 10, 12, 15 are the co-prime numbers. Okay. Then what is the HCF of 10, 12, 15? The HCF of 10, 12, 15 is also 1. Since the common factor of 10, 12, 15 is 1, the numbers 10, 12, 15 are co-prime numbers. Okay. And also, since the HCF or GCD of the numbers 10, 12, 15 is 1, the numbers 10, 12, 15 are co-prime numbers. Okay. Then how do we define the co-prime numbers? Okay. Two numbers are said to be co-prime numbers if they don't have the common factor other than 1 or if their HCF is 1. Okay children? Children, you learned about the co-prime numbers. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the non-co-prime numbers. Okay, now let us learn about non-co-prime numbers. Okay. Two numbers are said to be non-co-prime numbers when if they have common factor other than 1. Okay. Two numbers are said to be non-co-prime numbers. Okay. When if they have common factor other than 1, means they have a common factor 1 also and they have common factor other than 1 also. Such numbers are called non-co-prime numbers. Okay. The non-co-prime numbers are also defined in one more way. How? Two numbers are said to be non-co-prime numbers if their HCF is other than 1. Okay children, we can also define the non-co-prime numbers like this. How? Two numbers are said to be non-co-prime numbers if their HCF is other than 1. Okay children, let us justify the answer. Take the example 9 and 12. These are non-co-prime numbers. Do you know why? Write down 9, list the factors of 9. Here 1, 3, 9 are the factors of 9 and write 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. Then you list the common factors of 9 and 12. Which are the common factors? The common factors of 9 and 12 are, see here, 1 is factor of 9 also, 1 is factor of 12 also. Therefore, 1 is the common factor of 9 and 12. Then 3 is factor of 9 also, 3 is factor of 12 also. That is why 3 is the common factor of 9 and 12. Okay. Now you look at the common factors of 9 and 12. How many common factors are there for 9 and 12? There are two common factors. What are those? 1 and 3. Means the numbers 9 and 12 have the common factor 1 also and they have the common factor other than 1 also. If any two numbers have the common factor other than 1, then they are called non-co-prime numbers. Okay. And if children, I ask you to find out the HCF of the co-prime numbers, what you will get? See here, these are the common factors of 9 and 12. What is the highest common factor of 9 and 12? It is 3. Therefore, the highest common factor of 9 and 12 is 3. It is not 1. So, if any two numbers have the highest common factor other than 1, okay, then also they are said to be non-coprime numbers. Okay. Let us take one more pair of numbers, 18 and 30. See here children, 1 is factor of 18 also, 1 is factor of 30 also. Therefore, 1 is the common factor of 18 and 30. 2 is the factor of 18 also, 2 is the factor of 30 also. That is why 2 is the common factor of 18 and 30. 3 is the factor of 18 also, 3 is the factor of 30 also. That is why 3 is the common factor of 18 and 30. Okay. Similarly, 6 is the factor of 18 also, 6 is the factor of 30 also. That is why 6 is the common factor of 18 and 30. Okay. See here children, 1 is factor of 18 also, 1 is factor of 30 also. Therefore, 1 is the common factor of 18 and 30. 2 is the factor of 18 also, 2 is the factor of 30 also. That is why 2 is the common factor of 18 and 30. 3 is the factor of 18 also, 3 is the factor of 30 also. That is why 3 is the common factor of 18 and 30. Okay. Similarly, 6 is the factor of 18 also, 6 is the factor of 30 also. That is why 6 is the common factor of 18 and 30. Okay. Here, the numbers 18 and 30 have 3 more common factors than 1. Which are those 3 more common factors? 2, 3 and 6. Therefore, children, the numbers 18 and 30 are having 3 more common factors other than 1. That is why 18 and 30 are non-coprime numbers. And look at their HCF. The HCF is not equal to 1. The HCF is other than 1. What is the HCF of 18 and 30? The HCF of 18 and 30 is 6 here, which is other than 1. That is why the numbers 18 and 30 are non-coprime numbers. Let us take one more pair of numbers, 45 and 54. Now let us list their common factors. Here in this example, 1 is factor of 45, 1 is factor of 54. Therefore, 1 is the common factor of 45 and 54. 3 is factor of 45 also, 3 is factor of 54 also. That is why 3 is the common factor of 45 and 54. 9 is factor of 55 also, 9 is factor of 54 also. Therefore, this 9 is the common factor of 45 and 54, and thus I have listed 1, 3, 9 as the common factors of 45 and 54. Here, the numbers 45 and 54 have 2 more common factors than 1. Which are those 2 more common factors? 3 and 9. Hence, the numbers 45 and 54 are non-coprime numbers. And if we look at their HCF, the HCF is not equal to 1. The HCF is other than 1. What is that? 9. Therefore, the numbers are non-coprime numbers. So for children, we saw how to identify whether the given two numbers are non-coprime or not. Okay. But now, let us take the example of 3 numbers. Whether the given 3 numbers are coprime numbers or non-coprime numbers. Okay. Here the question is, are 6, 9, 12 coprime numbers or non-coprime numbers? Okay. But how to identify them, or how to justify that the given numbers are coprime numbers or non-coprime numbers? Okay. Let us list the factors of 6, 9 and 12. Okay. Here the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6, and the factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9, and the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay. Now children, after listing the factors of the numbers 6, 9 and 12, we should select the common factors of 6, 9 and 12. Okay? See here, 1 is the factor of 6 also, 1 is the factor of 9 also, 1 is the factor of 12 also. Therefore, 1 is the common factor of 6, 9, 12. And also, 3 is the factor of 6 also, 3 is factor of 9 also, 3 is factor of 12 also. Therefore, children, 3 is one more common factor of 6, 9, 12. Therefore, here, other than 1 and 3, there are no common factors of 6, 9 and 12. It means the number 6, 9, 12 have two common factors. Okay? One common factor is 1 and another common factor is 3. It means the number 6, 9, 12 have one more common factor 3 other than 1. That is why 6, 9, 12 are not the coprime numbers. These are non-coprime numbers. Okay. Then children, what about the HCF of 6, 9, 12? Okay. Here 1 and 3 are the common factors of 6, 9 and 12. Among 1 and 3 common factors, which is the highest common factor? 3 is the highest common factor. That is why highest common factor of 6, 9 and 12 is 3. Therefore, here the numbers 6, 9, 12 are not the coprime numbers. These are non-coprime numbers. Why? Here the number 6, 9, 12 have the highest common factor other than 1. Okay? That is why the numbers 6, 9, 12 are the non-coprime numbers. Therefore, children, since 6, 9, 12 have one more common factor 3 than 1, the numbers 6, 9, 12 are non-coprime numbers. And also, since HCF of 6, 9, 12 is 3, which is other than 1, therefore, the numbers 6, 9, 12 are non-coprime numbers. If two numbers or more than two numbers have the common factor other than 1, then they are non-coprime numbers. So children, we can conclude that two numbers are said to be coprime if they do not have the common factor other than 1 or if their HCF is equal to 1. And two numbers are said to be non-coprime numbers if they have the common factor other than 1 or if their HCF is other than 1. Okay?